Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you? Wa alaikum assalam. I am fine. And you? I am fine also. What is your name? Name. My name is Abu Saleh. And what is your name? My name is Abdullah. Where do you live? Are you traveler? I live in Delhi. Yes, I am traveler. And where do you live? I live in this village. My house is near. And why did you come here? I came here to sell my clothes. Oh, you are a businessman. Yes, I am businessman. And what do you do? I am teacher in this school. What do you teach? I teach Hindi, English and Urdu. How many years have you been teaching here? I have been teaching here for 10 years. What did you do before this? I used to study before this. Have you any sibling? Yes, I have two brothers. What do they do? They study right now. Where are you going? I am going to mosque. Why are you going to there? I am going to perform salah. Which salah are you going to perform? I am going to perform salah of Zuhr. And where are you going? I am going to market. Why are you going to market? I am going to market to sell my clothes. No, my brothers, Azan happened. So, first of all, go with me to mosque and perform salah, and after that do other work, because Allah has made salah obligatory on us. Yes, okay. And thanks for calling for salah. And let's go to mosque together.